turned the encapsulation. Took the grills down. Gonna seal the grills first. Seal all of this. Caulk it up good. Vacuum inside of here. Encapsulation done. We're gonna seal up, put the grills on, caulk around the grills. Everything's sealed up good now. Just letting it dry a little bit. Then we're gonna seal around it. This one was bad, we're gonna redo this one. Almost finished, halfway done. This sealed up now. Encapsulated. All of it sealed up good now. Sealed up. Encapsulation complete. All the ducts. Painted grills put back up, sanitized, caulk inside and outside of the grill. About to fog the system now.